4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on. There it went.
Yellow rocket launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With his caress of steel on a G74. We're going to try it again. He's got a new igniter in it. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that did good. Pretty good. And let me turn it on. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was quick. Why was that so quick?
The 1.9 motor. Wait back here.
H283 launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's
Wow.
looking good.
Down. Nice flight, Green.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's.
Yeah, I was looking at this big one too.
No, ouch.
Off the ground today.
Hey, 1,000. Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're on the other side, but that's on the ground. That qualifies. You're on the ground.
Yeah, you're over there, bro.
Yeah, you're over.
Two, sir.
James, I think you're doing
Yeah, I got it.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
A little bit of tail wiggle, but not bad.
Ready, Abby?
Over the trees and then that.
Yep, over the trees.
10. Go to 10.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yep. White.
It's right there, too, man.
Come on.
Yeah.
No.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, that was nice.
I'll
Don't
take it.
wobble.
Here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Went the wrong way.
Ooh.
Well, it's gonna be farther away. It's gonna be almost to the road.
Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Crackle, crackle.
Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
That's what you call a blow-by. Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
Kato.